This is the skyline over Los Angeles, California. The photo is taken from a slide that is on the outside of a skyscraper. The slide is made of very strong glass and is attached to one of the tallest buildings in Los Angeles. You slide for 45 feet, or 14 meters. At the end, you land on the 69th floor. The sky slide is 1,000 feet, or 300 meters, above the streets of Los Angeles. It's not a place to be if you have vertigo or acrophobia, a fear of heights. The glass is only 1¼ inches, or 3.2 centimeters, thick, but the glass is normally used in places where they have hurricanes and earthquakes.
Safety was our top priority when we were developing this slide. It's ready to withstand hurricane level winds. The glass actually is similar to that of the glass that they use in Florida to prevent against damage from destructive hurricane winds. The steel is aerospace engineered steel in some components, so it's very technologically sound. The slide itself can withstand an 8 on the Richter scale for an earthquake.
So, what is the experience like? This woman explains that you go faster than you expect. You go around in a curve, pushed up against the glass. It's like you see the whole world below you.
But it's not really that scary.
So, one person thinks it is not scary, but what do other people think? This woman is afraid of heights and wanted to face her fear.
I thought it was nerve-wracking and exciting and daring, and I just had to do it because I'm so afraid of heights and I just wanted to break that fear.
Los Angeles is not well known for its tall buildings.
I think that this is weird for LA because we don't really do sky decks or viewing platforms because we don't have that many tall buildings. So it's exciting to have this available to people as a place to come up and kind of see and enjoy the city. I think it's cool.
Would you dare to go down this slide to see these amazing views?